How's it going? Matt Frampton here with bbqrevolution.com. We are going to make some Irish soda bread on the Green Mountain Grill. It's 4 simple ingredients and then just a baking process. We got flour, salt, baking soda, and buttermilk. We're gonna whisk together the dry ingredients, fold in the buttermilk, and then we'll put it on the grill out back. Super easy, can't wait to show you. You can do this at home, you probably have every single ingredient. We have 425 grams of all-purpose flour, 6 grams of baking soda, 7 grams of salt, and then just whisk that together. Good enough. And now we add the buttermilk there. Kind of pour it in the middle like a well. You can see our dough's been resting here. Gonna need some bench flour. I'm gonna put a little cornmeal down because I want to transfer this to a peel and then take it out to the smoker. Just an outer layer of flour here, and I'm gonna gently release it, get some flour underneath all the edges, and I'm gonna try and take this out in one piece. We don't want it to sit on this pizza peel too long because we want to be able to get it off pretty easily. So this is gonna be pretty soft and want to kind of fall apart. I'm just gonna put it on the peel like this. Should slide around a little bit. We're gonna take it right to the smoker. All right, we're now back out at the smoker, running at 450 degrees. I wanna get this on here as quickly as possible. I've got a stone going here. I'm just gonna slide this right onto that stone. Without burning myself, I'm gonna try and shape it up just a little bit. And we're just gonna let it go. Okay, at the 17-minute mark, I'd like to check the temperature of this thing and see where we're at. 210 is about what I'm after. Okay, we're at about 110. We will give it some more time. We're almost at 45 minutes. Let's give it a look. Ooh, 195. Oh, we get back to the center there. About 190. It's looking good. Let's take a look at the bottom here. It's looking good. Feeling good. I'm just gonna give it another couple of minutes and then we should be good. Alright, a couple minutes ago when we checked this, it was over 200 in spots and getting close in the center. I like the 200 to 210 range, so I'm going to pull it off. It's going to continue to rise another 5 degrees or so. And no one likes bread that's overdone and dry, but look at that bad boy. After about a 30-minute rest, let's check this thing out. Looks nice. Bottom's got a little color up, but still, it's pretty heavy too. Oh, smells great once you open it. Like I said, this is kind of a dense bread. Goes great with pastrami, corned beef, cabbage, Irish tradition. Oh man, look at that. Slice it up. That is delicious looking. You make a dipping sauce, or just eat it with your meal. Good stuff.